password. Hello, Mr. Johnson. Good morning. I'm Dayan. I'm Dayan. I'm gonna be your CNA today.
Yes.
Today I will do the food and care, nail and foot.
Okay.
And now I will just gather my equipment and I will wash my hands and I will give you permission. And then do the hurting and I will wash my hands. And now I will get my barrier. Ay. No. Hindi na pala kailangan yan kasi hand lang.
You also need barrier for the hands. Same concept. Don't change your. But just can you introduce or let show your materials first? So you have to prepare the materials. What materials do you have there?
This is my materials. I have a basin,
Okay.
the barrier. I have the soap and lotion, and the foot file and orange stick and the gloves. The gloves, guys, is the gloves is just in
Clean.
case if you have something abnormal in your hand, then you need to use this one.
Can you show me the file again? What do you call that in medical?
This one, foot file.
Emery-board. Emery-board.
Okay, emery board.
Nabasa mo yon?
Yeah,
Okay, what is that again?
yeah. Emery board.
Okay.
And the orange stick.
What is the orange stick for? Show us the orange stick.
This is the orange stick. The purpose of this is to clean the nail, the underneath.
Okay.
Like this.
Now, where's your clipper?
Clipper siya.
Paano yan? Hindi ka ba pala magka-cut ng nails?
Pati ito, wala man nakalagay dun sa ano.
Ganoon.
Wala po, ito lang.
Sorry. You have to have a clipper.
Orange stick. But I have, I bring my
Oh, get a clipper.
Ate, meron ka ba? Parang-
Oh, dito ba?
Ito, guys, meron ka ate clipper? Si ate meron nakita ko. Ito na lang sa
Tingnan nga natin kung anong laman ng bag niya. Okay. Meron tayong makeup.
Here, I'm done.
Meron tayong lipstick.
Okay.
So, let's talk about clipper. What do you call that? Clipper. Sa Pilipinas, ang tawag dyan is?
Nail
Nail
cutter.
cutter. Okay, so America, it's called clipper. Can I use his clipper to another patient?
No.
Why not?
Because personal. It's a personal and if something redness of his hand or something infection. No.
Okay. Cool. Yes. Okay,
And
cool.
now I will do the hand care.
So, don't forget to identify your patient, date of birth. Did you say that?
Yeah. Mr. Johnson, can I check your blood? And I want to know your the birth and your.
Ganon-ganon ka dun sa pasyente mo.
And now I will put the virus.
Why?
Just to
So, when I asked you, just continue doing no para mabilis tayo. Why?
just to make it sure it will not something leaking, it will not cover.
If there's a leaking, it will not leak. Understand? Okay. Diba? Don't worry, Rosalie. Hindi lang ikaw. So, di.
Now I will get I will just get the water. But the water.
Basin.
Wait. Now I'll get the water.
Just go far na.
And
Just face the camera.
Can you test the water if it's
Before you let the patient test the water, you should test the water.
Okay, balik.
Oh, bumalik talaga din siya.
Very
Kailangan talaga dyan. Andito lang yung gripo. Yan. Andito yung gripo. Dito ka sa camera tumingin. Huwag mo talikuran ng camera.
And now we'll get the water and I will check the water.
Yan, very good.
And now, Mr. Johnson, can you check for me the water? Okay.
Good. It's okay.
And now I will put,
Bakit mo na kayo ba yan?
no, wait.
Huh?
No, I should put here. And you need to stop here. And,
Matawa pa ko sa pasyente.
wait. And now I have to wash my clothes.
Question, how long should you soak his hands or foot?
15 minutes.
15 minutes?
No, no, wait.
Can you double check that information? And then what if he has diabetes? Are you going to soak? Are you gonna soak it longer?
No, if the patient is diabetic, it will not soak, not allowed to soak longer.
Okay, why?
Because the hand is already, if there's a redness or something infection,
So let's imagine, no, if you soak your hands in the water for a long period of time, what happens to your skin?
Sag. Ay, mga malubot.
Or it will soften your skin, right? So if medyo soft na yung skin ng patients natin, and then if you cut the nails or if you clean the edges, is there a higher risk na the patients will be injured or mag-bleeding? Yes, and then he has diabetes, right? And we don't want wounds for diabetic patients, so we don't soak them. Okay.
and now I will use this one to wash clothes. You need to soak your hand, and we'll put this one to wash in. At the wash clothes, I will put here, and I will rinse here, and from top to down, top to down, and from the bottom, you put it top and down, and we'll put to the side. And now I will use this one, the other wash clothes, to put the soap like this. And I will rinse your hand from top to bottom.
Okay, stop. Can you use the other arm kasi hindi na ako makita sa camera. So while you're doing the other hand, are you going to soak the right side?
Okay.
Ulitin ko ha, habang naglilinis ka ng kabilang kamay, ano gagawin mo sa kabilang kamay? Susok mo na ba yun or hindi pa? Mamaya, maghihintay ka na naman ulit?
Yeah. Ito muna, sir.
So, ito muna unahin mo kasi ito yung sa camera ba? So, ayan. So, suppose ka na nag-soak and then you clean it. So, while you're cleaning that, ano gagawin mo dun sa kabilang kamay? Hindi mo ba isusok? Maghihintay ka pa ba mamaya?
Kailangan ko siyang isok ng one by one. Hindi sabay.
Oo nga. So, ngayon, sige, hawakan mo nga yung left hand niya. Left hand. Left. Oh, okay, linisin mo na yan. So, habang naglilinis ka, anong gagawin mo dun sa kabilang kamay?
Isusok ko lang siya? No, hindi siya isusok.
So, kailan mo isusok? Pag matapos ka na?
Okay.
Tinatanong kita.
Hindi ko kasi
Nagigets na ba yung tanong ko?
Yes.
Habang nililinisan mo yung isang kamay, mag-soak ka na dito. Oras ang ano mo. Oras yung... Hindi nga sabay.
Okay, pag-start mo nililinis sa yung isa, ilagay mo dun sa...
Yung isa din. Okay.
O, linisin mo na yung isa. Yan. Okay. Then, anong ginagawa mo na ngayon sa kabilang kamay?
Sinusok ko siya.
Okay, rewind tayo. O, linis. So, habang naglilinis ka,
So now I will clean your
habang naglilinis ka, anong ginagawa mo sa isang kamay?
habang maglilinis ako, kailangan kong isok yung isang kamay.
Okay, very good. Ayan. We're on the same page na. Perfect! Okay, next.
And the soap, and I will put here on the side. And I will get the towel. I will put the towel here. Oh, hindi ko na linisan.
At isok mo muna doon habang naglilinis ka. Yun ang pinag-uusapan natin, di ba? Habang naglilinis ka, nakasok yung isang kamay.
I will dry your hand from top to bottom, and I will do the narrow edges to clean the.
Bakit kailangan i-dry?
Para hindi siya mag-cause ng ano.
So, ang bacteria, where do they thrive? Saan pa sila gusto mo
Wet
tumira?
place, wet areas.
Sa moist?
Yeah.
Saan pa?
Singit-singit.
Sa moist, sa dirty.
Singit-singit na.
So, sa mangitim-ngitim,
Sa madilim.
sa mangitim-ngitim, sa mamasa-masa, at saka sa
Parang
manginit-nginit. Anong bahagi ng katawan mo, Rosalie? Ang mangitim-ngitim, manginit-nginit. Okay, underarm. Ikaw? Singit. Ano pa?
Kilikili.
Oh, underarm nga. Ano pa?
Leeg.
Leeg.
Leeg. Ano pa? Which part of your body is moist, dark, and warm?
Underarm, underleg.
So, in that area, guys, we don't want that to be moist because it creates, it parang mas madaming bacteria ba? Okay, next.
Then now we'll roll your hand. And I will get the narrow edges to clean the in between. Like this. And now it's dry. And I will put the lotion.
Maglo-lotion ka na ba?
Oh no, water can wait. Then now I will done with the dry to dry your hand, and I will use the orange stick. I will go from here like this. This one, this one.
So every time na matapos ka lang sa sign nail, dapat i-clean mo yan kasi it's cross-contamination. Pag isa mo dito, i-clean mo, tapos ulit. Why you don't use the pusher?
Pusher. Ano, pusher? This one.
Ang tanong ko, bakit hindi pusher ang ginagamit mo?
Because the pusher is sharp.
Oh, yun ang sagot. So sharp. So stick talaga, yung wooden stick ang ginagamit natin, right? But it's blunt lang. It will not cause injury to your patients. Okay, clean.
Then now I will clean your nail from this side to this side, this side.
Ano
This
mo
side
nga?
to this side and wipe it, and this side and this side and wipe it, and this side to this side and wipe it, and this side to this side and wipe it, and this side and this side and wipe it. Then now your hand is clean. And then I will use the nail clipper. Like this.
Ano ba yung cut dapat ng nail clip?
Should be the straight.
Ano ba yung straight? Explain mo nga muna sa amin.
Ano siya, yung normal na cut lang. Wala siyang design. Kung lalagyan mo siya ng design, yung normal lang na cut. Alam mo?
Why is it called straight cut?
Yeah.
Why is it straight? Ano ba dapat? Kunyari, this is my nail. Ano ba dapat? Ang straight cut.
You need to cut straight, as in straight.
Straight lang? Dili i-curve.
No.
Bakit? Why? So imagine mo, no, if this is your nails, right? It's curved, right? So if you're gonna cut the edges of your nail, anong possible ng injury? Ano mang risk doon? Ha?
Yung the edges, sir? Ano?
Ang tanong ko, anong mangyayari pag kukudkudin mo yung sa gilid?
Masusugat.
Yun ang sagot, masusugat. We don't want them to be injured, right? So that's why you have to cut it straight. Now, cut ng straight, right? But there's still an edge, a sharp point there.
Okay.
Yung naiwan mo kasi straight lang yung pagkakat. What will you do?
I will use the emery board to make it.
Okay. What is that?
Emery board.
What is that?
Every board.
Ano yun, Emelu? Okay. Nobody answers nail file. Okay, it's called emery board.
But in the nail file. Then now I will do the nail cover.
Have you ever cut someone's nails?
Yes.
Mga anak niyo? Okay.
Like this.
What do you call that cut?
Straight cut.
Okay. Or square cut.
Square cut. Then I will use the emery board. From this side to this side.
To?
This side.
Para
Para hindi siya sharp and
magkaroon ng shape.
for this side and this side. I will dry it.
Why?
Kasi nga hindi nga pwedeng basa-basa kasi
Perfect.
like this. And I will do the edges. Like this. And now you're done.
And then?
Then, and I will do the left hand again.
And then do the same thing on the other side.
Oh, I will do the same thing.
So,
Now I will do your other hand.
okay. O, tapos na ang other hand.
I will
And then do the same thing with the foot or feet. And then what will you do after?
Okay, and I will put your hand here. And I will use this one. Rinse water. Now I will use this other wash clothes.
Tapos na nga.
Tapos na ba?
So, ano nang gagawin mo? Gusto mong isa-isahin lahat ng mga kamay niya?
Tapos na wala ako.
Anong tawag mo dyan sa after, maglilinis na? Anong tawag mo dyan? After? Perfect! Ano yun? Kawawa naman to sila. Anong tawag mo dyan, Rosalie? Okay, very good. So how do you feel now? Your hands are clean.
Yeah, good. I'm feeling.
Are you happy now?
Yeah.
Did I torture you?
I,
Okay.